Okay guys, it's me again. So today I'm gonna cook very simple dish. Ginisang carrots and sayuti with pork. Okay, so we need black pepper, oyster sauce, salt, and then water, put carrots and sayuti, and then the pork, tomatoes, garlic, spring onions, and onions. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. It smells good now. The tomatoes and the spring onions. Guys, the meat, the pork. Let's add soy sauce of this one, guys. And then we're gonna simmer first for how many minutes until the cook is tender, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. And we'll be right back. The pork is already cooked, so we're gonna add that and sayuti. Then water. You can add little water, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, and then simmer again until the vegetables are cooked. We're gonna put all this water, okay? Okay, guys, so we're gonna set. And we'll be right back. Guys, so the vegetables are cooked. So we're gonna add the oyster sauce. And then I'm going to, okay, it's still okay, look at that one, guys. Our ginisang sayuti and carrots, or ginisang carrots and sayuti with pork is done. So I'm going to garnish it. Okay, guys, and then it's tasting time, so I'm gonna taste this one, and then carrots. Okay. It's good because the carrots and sayuti are cooked, and it's still crunchy and it's not overcooked. And now I'm gonna taste the meat. It's yummy, guys. Okay, guys. It's very simple dish and affordable. So carrots and sayuti, ginisang carrots and sayuti with pork is done, okay? So it's very simple, yummy, and affordable. Okay guys, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroJa, to my Instagram, _bro_ja, and to my TikTok at dCookingShow, and to my Facebook page, dCookingShow, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.